Many cryptocurrency traders focus on immediate gains, often overlooking the power of compounding. Even small profits can grow significantly when managed strategically over time. Today, we will explore how to turn small crypto gains into big wins using a compound strategy. This approach allows you to leverage consistency, patience, and smart reinvestment to maximize returns. By understanding compounding principles, you can transform modest trades into substantial wealth. Press the subscribe button now and hit the notification bell to stay updated with practical crypto strategies. Keep a notebook handy because the tips shared in this video are actionable and easy to follow. From risk management to reinvestment techniques, every aspect matters. Let us begin by understanding the foundation of the compound strategy. 1. Understanding the power of compounding. Compounding involves reinvesting profits to generate additional earnings. In cryptocurrency, even small gains can multiply if consistently reinvested. The principle relies on time and disciplined strategy. Unlike one-time trades, compounding focuses on gradual, sustainable growth. Experts emphasize that patience and consistency are more important than chasing high-risk trades. Monitoring performance over time allows traders to evaluate the effectiveness of their strategy. Understanding the mechanics of compounding ensures that gains are not wasted. Awareness of compounding helps in creating realistic financial goals. Knowledge of this principle is foundational for building long-term wealth. 2. Selecting profitable but low-risk trades. Not every crypto trade is suitable for a compounding strategy. Experts advise focusing on consistent, low-risk opportunities rather than volatile, high-risk trades. Small but reliable profits form the foundation of compounding. Risk assessment is crucial, including evaluating market trends, token fundamentals, and historical performance. Avoiding impulsive trades reduces losses that can undermine the strategy. Experts recommend setting realistic profit targets and stop-loss levels for each trade. Awareness of market cycles and sentiment helps in identifying suitable trades. Selecting the right trades ensures consistent gains to reinvest. Knowledge of token liquidity and volatility aids decision-making. Discipline in trade selection strengthens the compounding process. 3. Setting clear reinvestment goals. A successful compound strategy requires clear reinvestment goals. Experts advise defining the percentage of profits to reinvest versus withdraw. Setting realistic targets prevents overexposure and reduces emotional trading. Reinvestment goals should align with long-term financial objectives. Awareness of cumulative growth encourages patience and consistency. Tracking reinvestment outcomes ensures that the strategy stays on course. Knowledge of portfolio allocation helps maintain balance between risk and reward. Establishing rules for reinvestment minimizes impulsive decisions. Clear goals improve discipline and long-term results. Consistency in following these rules compounds wealth effectively. 4. Using dollar-cost averaging. Dollar-cost averaging is a technique to invest consistently over time, reducing the impact of volatility. Experts suggest combining this approach with compounding to maximize returns. By investing fixed amounts regularly, traders avoid emotional decisions during market swings. This strategy allows accumulation of assets at varying prices, balancing gains and losses. Awareness of price trends informs timing but does not override the consistency principle. Knowledge of market psychology helps resist impulsive trades. Combining dollar-cost averaging with reinvestment amplifies the effect of compounding. It provides a disciplined framework for accumulating wealth gradually. Understanding this technique ensures systematic growth over time. Consistency is the key to success with dollar-cost averaging and compounding. 5. Avoiding emotional trading. Emotional trading is one of the greatest obstacles to compounding success. Fear and greed can prompt impulsive decisions that undermine reinvestment strategies. Experts emphasize sticking to predefined rules for trade selection and reinvestment. Awareness of personal psychological triggers improves discipline. Knowledge of market trends prevents reactionary behavior during volatile periods. Consistency in decision-making ensures the compounding strategy remains intact. Avoiding panic selling or reckless buying preserves capital. Emotional control allows traders to benefit from gradual, sustainable growth. Maintaining rational judgment is key to long-term compounding success. Discipline strengthens confidence and portfolio stability. 6. Tracking and analyzing performance. Consistent tracking and analysis are crucial for a successful compound strategy. Experts recommend using detailed logs to record profits, losses, and reinvestment actions. Observing patterns helps identify which trades contribute most to portfolio growth. Awareness of performance trends informs adjustments to reinvestment percentages or trade selection. Knowledge of cumulative gains emphasizes the importance of patience. Regular analysis ensures that the strategy remains effective under changing market conditions. Maintaining transparency and accountability prevents errors and oversight. Tracking performance strengthens confidence in decision-making. Monitoring outcomes reinforces discipline and consistency. Strategic analysis is critical to transforming small gains into significant wealth. 7. Leveraging stablecoins for compounding. Stablecoins provide a safer environment for reinvesting profits. Experts recommend converting small gains into stablecoins to preserve value while preparing for the next investment. Stablecoins reduce exposure to market volatility, allowing traders to compound steadily. Awareness of interest-bearing stablecoin platforms adds an additional growth layer. Knowledge of platform credibility and security is essential before reinvesting. Using stablecoins enables strategic timing for re-entry into volatile assets. Understanding the benefits of stability reinforces disciplined compounding. Monitoring interest rates and yield options enhances returns. Stablecoins serve as a bridge between high-risk trades and secure reinvestment. Incorporating them strategically strengthens compounding efficiency. 8. Timing market entries and exits. Successful compounding requires careful timing of market entries and exits. Experts emphasize planning trades rather than reacting to market hype. Awareness of technical indicators and trend analysis aids strategic decision-making. Knowledge of support and resistance levels guides profitable entry points. Exiting at appropriate levels ensures gains are preserved for reinvestment. Combining timing with consistent reinvestment maximizes the effect of compounding. Observing historical patterns improves accuracy in decision-making. Strategic timing prevents losses that can undermine small gains. Awareness of broader market cycles helps maintain perspective. Timing reinforces disciplined, profitable compounding strategies. 9. Continuous learning and adaptation. The cryptocurrency market evolves rapidly, requiring traders to learn continuously. Experts recommend staying updated with trends, news, and technological developments. Awareness of new trading tools, platforms, and strategies strengthens compounding efficiency. Knowledge of evolving regulations ensures compliance and risk management. Continuous adaptation allows traders to adjust reinvestment percentages and trade selection effectively. Observing emerging opportunities provides a competitive advantage. Awareness of past mistakes informs better decisions moving forward. Learning from experienced traders accelerates skill development. Adaptation ensures that compounding strategies remain relevant. Staying informed and flexible is key to long-term success. 10. Patience is the ultimate multiplier. Patience is the most critical factor in turning small gains into significant wealth. Experts emphasize that compounding requires time and consistent effort. Rushing or chasing immediate profits can undermine the strategy. Awareness of long-term goals encourages disciplined reinvestment and trade selection. Knowledge of the exponential effect of compounding reinforces patience. Monitoring cumulative growth over months or years demonstrates the power of consistent effort. Patience allows traders to benefit fully from small, repeated gains. Awareness of market cycles reduces impulsive decision-making. Consistency and patience work together to maximize returns. Following a long-term mindset ensures the success of a compound strategy. Traders should focus on progress rather than perfection in every trade. Experts recommend evaluating outcomes periodically to reinforce disciplined habits. Awareness of emotional triggers helps maintain patience during market downturns. Now that you understand how to turn small crypto gains into big wins using a compound strategy, you are ready to implement disciplined trading. Apply these principles to plan trades, reinvest profits, and monitor performance consistently. Share this video with friends and fellow traders to help them leverage compounding for wealth creation. Comment below your experiences and strategies for growing small gains. Press the like button if you found this video valuable. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to receive future insights. Maintain a trading journal and track compounding progress. Awareness, discipline, and patience ensure sustainable growth.